what I'm talking about, son.
What you got there?
Big old BobCat.
All right, good morning. I think we're where we're supposed to be. I'm at a dairy farm. I see construction back there. I think these are all the poop tanks right here for the dairy farm. Oh, let's see what we're getting into. I see black pipe, so maybe we're going the right way. Real quick, we got unloaded. We dropped 2 bundles off the top. 4 pipes. Ended up in that pond down there. I don't know how they're gonna get them out. Unloaded, and we're actually back over here at, what was it, Stone's truck stop. It is cold outside. We're gonna make our way over to St. Cloud. I went ahead and bought some more fuel. Not gonna make that much difference price wise. I had probably enough fuel to get over there, but I would have probably been on empty, and I didn't want to cut it that close. So we're gonna run through South Dakota over to Minnesota, and we're gonna run through the woods. We've got about 200 miles to go. So our appointment is at 2:15. So it is now 10 o'clock. We're running through the woods. We're gonna get there right at 2 probably. So I'm waiting for the trucks to get out of the way here. Okay, with this big old Peterbilt. This big old Peterbilt. I think that's the tanker truck. I think that's the diesel. We did not get a Mercer discount here. It's $4.89 a gallon. Bought 60 gallons. No, it's $4.89. So anyway, think the price over in Minnesota was like $4.69, so only bought 60 gallons, so we're not talking a whole lot of money. A whole lot of money.
US 212 East, 172nd Street.
All right. Here we go.
Continue on US 212 East for 60
Roll up my window, don't know where I'm bound. Driving by the river, there's a hole in the ground. Hand-me-down t-shirt, sticking on my back. Heading for a fall. Had to get up to crawl. I ain't got no time to stall. On my way to nowhere, I'm not afraid at all. Roll up my window.
All right, we made it over here to St. Cloud,
Turn right
Minnesota.
onto 8th Street North, Veterans Drive.
I've never been here before. We're supposed to be picking up little BobCat skid steer things. I think
In
that's
a
what
quarter
we're
mile,
getting.
turn right onto 33rd Avenue North.
So let's see. We can figure it out. So if you look straight ahead, that is probably what we're getting. I would assume. And what we'll do is we'll follow everybody else around. You just gotta let me get in here. Oh.
400 feet, turn left toward 37th Avenue North.
Good afternoon. We're in a rest area in Illinois on I-80. I don't know the name of the place. I never ended yesterday's video, so we loaded these little BobCat things. They went pretty good. I I asked the guy if I could run a chain through the hole right there, and he said, yeah, there's no problem doing that. So it makes it a lot easier. Kubota does that when they load them. They run the chain through the hole right there. I know the chain mounts right up there, but I asked the guy, he said be no problem. So other than that, these things are pretty easy. Nothing too crazy. You can see how I loop the chain down around using my J hooks. I did have to have them move these back to a little bit too much because I was getting heavy on the front up there. Each one weighs about 9,000 pounds, so it was getting a little heavy on the front, but they loaded pretty good. We're taking these over to Ohio, and then we're gonna see if we can get a load heading home. So anyway, this is to end yesterday's video. Thanks for watching.